Corey here with Race Day Quads, and today we're taking a look at the Foxeer Aero Micro 2. Inside the box, you will receive your manual, another card, your camera, a bag with all your wires. In that bag, you will receive your controller where you can make your OSD changes. Here's all your screws and your wiring harness, and this little guy right here is where your controller will plug into. Looking at the back of the box, you'll see it is a 600 TVL in color and 650 TVL in black and white. It has built-in OSD with voltage, flying time, and your craft's name. And it has an input voltage of 5 to 40 volts, which pretty much covers everything but 1S. It is a 1/3 Sony Super HAD 2 CCD sensor. This one comes with a 2.1mm lens, but you can get a 2.3mm lens for it. This one happens to be blue, but you can also get it in black and orange. It weighs 5.6 grams. It measures 19mm from side to side, 18.6mm from top to bottom, and 11mm from the mounting point forward, and 11mm from the middle point here to back to the connector. The manual does a really nice job explaining how to hook up your controller here and how to get into the menu to try out all the features that it has built in. So we're going to get this hooked up and get into this OSD menu. Here's the harness ready to start soldering to our video transmitter, and all I did was cut off the other side here, and the blue wire will be going to a positive on your power distribution board or somewhere where the direct LiPo voltage is going in, and the other wires are just your normal power, ground, and video. So let's go over the main menu options real quick. If you hit the middle button, here you'll be able to change your camera settings. So let's get out of this. Now to change your bottom OSD, it's these three buttons down here. So if you hold down the left button for about 3 seconds, you can move it back and forth, and you can do that for all three of the bottom options here with these three buttons. To get into our other menu, we're going to hold down the top button up here. And here is the menu. Ratio is where you'll be able to tune your voltage reading, so you can increase it or decrease it to get the correct reading. Mode is where you change your camera settings. It has presets for vivid, sunny, cloudy. This is something I put in there. And user 2, this will say user 1. But you can put in your own settings in there. And font, this is where you can change it to be a little thinner and a little smaller. Name, of course you can turn the name off for your craft. You can turn the time off or on, the power off or on. STA was off originally, but I turned this on when I was doing some recording to see what setting the camera was in. And of course you can hit just exit and save. Here's some flight footage with the available 4 presets, and as mentioned before, you can add 2 of your own presets as well. All of the early production issues have been addressed, most notably the voltage refresh rate. Bottom line, this camera gives you everything a larger camera has to offer with the benefits of being much lighter and in a smaller form factor, and it is an excellent alternative to Roundcam Swift Micro. If you're interested in this camera, check out the link below in the video description. I am Corey with Race Day Quads, and thank you for watching.